Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app with good settings. So here in this first page of settings we click. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to Aloha app as you see, and you will enter. In this page of app info we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store, you will search about Aloha app. If you find update, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.